DJ Afro Kid.
Yo, hi guys, it's E-Class. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, as you can tell by the title of the video, what this video is about. So first, before we go any further, I would like to shout out the YouTube subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. I didn't get your names, it didn't show up, but I do welcome you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. So as you can tell by the title of the video, this is a wig try on. And if y'all noticed in my last few videos that I have been doing the wig thing, that's because I cut my hair and I went natural, and so I've been wearing a lot of protective styles, keeping my hair braided down so you know my hair can get back to its natural rhythm. So but we doing some blonde wigs. Yeah, blonde wigs. I don't know why, but we doing blonde wigs because I've tried on pretty much, you know, colors that I thought, you know, would look, you know, decent on me, and they look, no, you know, they look pretty good. I kind of steer towards the black side, you know, or a B1, you know, somewhere up in there. But you know, we just gonna do some blonde and see how it goes, and pray that it's okay. Okay guys, so this is the first wig, and this one is by Melted. It has the deep roots on it, and it has the lace, and the lace is kind of coming off a little funky, but you know, we're gonna go in and tint the lace with my foundation shade. And this one is by Melted Hairline, and this is Carmilla, and it is in the Golden Honey shade. This is, see, yeah, y'all can see that. But yeah, this is the first color blonde right here that I'm gonna try on with the deep brown roots and see how it looks, and we're gonna go from there. But I don't think this is gonna be the one. I think this one I'm finna show you is gonna be the one, but we still gonna try it on. We still gonna see if it's gonna be the right color for me. Okay, so this is the next one right here, and this is by the Perfect Hairline, and this one is in the shade Champagne Fizz, and her name is Laurel. And I picked this one too because it has deep roots as well, but the blonde is a little bit deeper than the other one. So yeah, we're gonna see how it fares out. And I'm also gonna take this, what they call the I think it's called the fold out of it. It's easy to take up. It has like a little clear lining there, stitching there. You can't see it on camera, but it's like a clear stitching there, and you can just pull it up and it'll come up. But be careful not to, like, if you're gonna pull it up, be careful not to, you know, stab your lace. But when you pull it up, it's also gonna probably come with a little bit of hair, not much, but just be careful on how you pull it up. And I'm also gonna take that off. And as you can see, it has 3 tuck combs, 2 to the side and 1 to the back, and it also has the elastic band and the adjustable straps as well. If you big, you know, you got that baby big head like I do, you know what I'm saying, you can have the adjustable straps to go in with that, to adjust for your baby big head like mine. But yeah, the first one we're gonna try on, because I think, like I said, I'm not exactly sure on which one will look good on me, but I'm really thinking it'll be this one right here. I believe this is probably going to be a little bit too blonde, but we're going to try it on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and tint my wigs go ahead and tint them with my foundation and take that full hairline out of this one. And this one right here is from the perfect hairline. It always have that fold in it. I don't know what that's for, but I went on YouTube and I found a young lady to show me how to take that out. And if you're interested in looking at her video, I can link her video in the description box, so you can go over there and look at hers. And you know, I just said it, I'm not going to show you because this is just a little bit too much for me. I'm not good at editing anyway, so you know what I'm saying. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna try this one on first just to see. And this is the one that I least think that would look good on me, but you never know. And I think this one probably would look the best on me. But like I said, we're gonna go with this one first, and then we'll go with this one because I believe this is good. So under my bunny, all I have on is a black stocking cap, and due to the fact that I'm not going to be laying these down, I just have on one of those bands where it'll kind of like stay in place and everything. So yeah, let's try this wig. Okay guys, so we got this thing on, child. I was struggling. I was struggling. This one is a little snug, a little bit snug, but it's not bad like where it's snug to the point where it hurt. So we're gonna go ahead and pin this back, and we're gonna cut the tabs off. I'm just gonna use 2 hair clips, and we're gonna pin it back and cut the lace and cut the tabs off. Y'all had to ask my child what she think. So hold on 1 second.
It does look pretty. Oh my god, it does look pretty.
It do?
They need to make you on a Pinterest post. Pinterest post.
Really? I can make my own Pinterest because I have a Pinterest account.
I had a Pinterest account.
Okay, so my daughter said it looks good, and to me it does, you know, it actually does look good. But me personally, sweetie, it does look good, but me personally, I would rather, you know, go for a more honey blonde color than a blonde color. But nevertheless, it still looks pretty good, guys. Excuse me, I'm looking over here in this monitor, so y'all gotta excuse me. I'm steady looking over there, but yeah, it actually does not look that bad. Only thing is, I would have liked for it to have a little bit more volume, but I know I'm gonna have to, you know, tease it and mess with it, you know what I'm saying, if I was to wear it again. Yeah, it would have to have a little bit more volume, but I know I'm gonna have to, you know, play with it a little bit just to get that more volume up here. Okay, now my hair am getting in my face. It's now my hair is getting in my face. But yeah, so this is the first wig. This is the lightest of the two colors that I bought. So let's go ahead and let me get this wig off, and we're gonna try on the other blonde. It's a little bit deeper color, but let's go try this one. So okay, I got the wig on, but right quick, because I think this is the one. This is the one I think I said was gonna look the best on me. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just lay the tabs down and do a little hairstyle on it and refresh my makeup and come back, and y'all can tell me what y'all think about it when I do that. So give me 1 second, I'll be back. Y'all, is she not giving? Baby, listen. This is too pretty. I knew this was probably going to be the color that would probably suit me the best. But oh my goodness, this is too gorgeous. Oh wow. Like, this is so pretty. Okay guys, so let me just go ahead and sew this up real quick. It was the one from the Perfect Hairline by Outre Hair. It was the Champagne Fizz, and yeah, isn't she cute? Isn't she lovely? Oh, no, don't quit my day job. Okay, yeah, but anyway guys, this is the one, and I knew it was gonna look good on me. But yeah, the other blonde one, it looks good on me, but it's something about this one that just does it for me. It sends me to that place of bad bitch, of cutie on duty, and I'm loving it. Like, I can't stop looking at myself. Like, I'm from the monitor to the mirror, monitor to the mirror, just looking at myself. But anyway guys, that is all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and may God open the windows and pour the what was I saying? So we rewind that back. May God open up the windows and pour you out of abundance of blessings. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
DJ Afro Kid.